I found my grandma's another recipe card. This will be recipe number 2 in our series of grandma's recipes. This is green bean casserole. I have 2 cans of 14.5 ounces of green beans. Rinsed and drained. I have the oven preheating at 400 degrees. I'm gonna spray a little bit of olive oil here in this pan. Got to protect it a little bit. All right. I think I doubled this recipe. She called for 1 can of everything. Got 2 cans of cream of mushroom condensed soup. Yeah. Oh, this one, we were in a hurry at the store because it was busy, crowded, and yeah. Anyway, this one's like 98% fat-free. We'll see how that tastes. They actually look different. Sure, it'll all still be yummy. Green bean casserole is one of my daughter's favorite dishes. Now, in my grandma's recipe, hold on, I got it. I don't understand this, but like a new thing that was just coming out, like back in the days, and it says 1 can of green beans, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, a tablespoon of Cheese Whiz. Okay, Cheese Whiz goes on crackers. And not judging my grandma, not at all. Like I said, it was probably like a new thing that just came out. We're not doing Cheese Whiz. We're gonna do sharp cheddar cheese. I'm gonna mix this up first. I want to put some salt and pepper in there too. All right, let's add some pepper. This is 2 cans of green beans and 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup and some black pepper. More can be added later, and some salt. One of the cans of green beans I got was like low, like 0 sodium, so I'm not too worried about salt. I think it's gonna need more pepper. Oh, I wish I gotten the French onion style green beans. You know what I'm talking about, the stringy ones. But okay, I just really this is what I got. And this pan is quite large for what I'm doing, so it might look a little skimpy, but I promise it's gonna be good. How many times have I showed you something and it wasn't good? Well, maybe a couple of times, but anyway. Cheese. Sharp cheddar cheese. Not doing Cheese Whiz in it. Not right now. If I have Cheese Whiz, it's going on chicken in a basket crackers. Hey, that's just me. Alright, cheese. 1 can of French fried onions. Do you know how long it took us to find this in the store? Like, I was literally like, okay, Bobby, just take me and get me a sweet onion and some oil and I will make it myself, because we were there for 30 minutes trying to find this. Finally, somebody helped us. Anyway, we got it, so let's use it. Sprinkle that on top. This is a very easy, quick meal to do any day of the week, any occasion. This is gonna go in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Yep. I'll show you what we get when we're done. Timer's beeping. Turn the beeping this off. Pull this out. Yes, I know it's like September and I have a Christmas towel. But yeah, that's okay. Okay. Turn the oven off. Turn the light off. And then we will taste it. I'm not putting that in my mouth right now. That is hot. Over there. There you go. So this is my grandma's green bean casserole. It's tasty. It's probably still hot. It's definitely still smoking. Give that a minute. Give it a bite. It smells good. Let's try a bite. It's good. Green bean casserole. Don't worry. It's just me and Bobby eating this. This is a lot of food. We're not going to be cooking for the next few days. Well, I'm sure I will, but I'll do something that we don't have to eat like right away, or I don't know, something different. Anyway. It's really good. Grandma's green bean casserole, minus the cheese whiz. But I did put sharp cheddar cheese in there. Right? Yeah. Let's finish dinner. Bobby's still watching football. Okay. I'm making my plate. I'm hungry. This is my grandma's green bean casserole with a twist and mashed potatoes. Hold on, I got something else. And I like the juice on my mashed potatoes. Some people like gravy. I like this juice. I'm gonna heat that up. That's my dinner. Yum.